Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share with you how I used static code analysis, specifically through a tool called Flawfinder, which uncovered potential security vulnerabilities in my chat server project, which was an assignment of system programming in this semester. Before executing Flawfinder, let's understand what it is and what it does. Flawfinder is a static code analysis tool that scans every C or C sharp or every C or C++ source files for potential security vulnerabilities while looking for patterns that have been historically known as issues or security issues. Unlike dynamic analysis, which requires code execution, Flawfinder examines the source code statically, meaning it does not require the program to be running to find issues. This approach allows developers to detect and fix vulnerabilities early in the development process, enhancing the security posture of the software. So Flowfinder works by parsing the source code, identifying calls to functions that are known to be risky or inherently unsafe, and flagging them for further review. It also ranks findings based on their potential severity, providing a risk score for each identified issues. This score helps developers prioritize which vulnerabilities to address first based on the risk they pose to the application security. Before moving forward, let's learn how to install Flowfinder in your Kali machine. So to install Flawfinder, you just type sudo apt install Flawfinder. Since I have already downloaded it in my machine, it will not be downloaded or upgraded into my machine. As you can see, it's 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, or 0 to remove, and 10 not upgraded. It means that the Flawfinder has already been installed in my Kali Linux machine. To check if it is installed successfully or not, you can type Flawfinder -- version. If it shows you the version number, then it indicates that you successfully installed the Flawfinder. Now, now to further going, first choose your project. I chose at first I choose my chat server project, right? So these have multiple files in it, like inside include folder there is chat server.h. Inside source folder there are multiple .c files, so you can use Flawfinder to scan all those. So for scanning this, go to the current directory, open the terminal there and type Flawfinder dot. It will list your number of vulnerabilities or number of issues, security issues that it found in your code. In my case, it found 11 hits. That means 11 issues. And it also gives the issue list as well here. And as you can see, this is the ranking given by the Flawfinder to the issues, and it also gives us the source also, like the first issue is buffer, related to buffer using the strcpy. It is in source under the source folder, message parsing.c. Let's quickly look into it. And it also says the line number, which is line number 34. In line number 34 of this code, I have used strcpy, which is proved to be which does not properly account for the destination buffer sizes, which creates a ripe situation for buffer overflows, right? So here it also gives like does not check for buffer overflows when copying to destination. So when you use strcpy, it opens an attacker to exploit a buffer overflow vulnerabilities, which they can inject malicious code into the memory space of the application, potentially allowing them to take control of the execution flow and perform unauthorized actions. So Flawfinder also give you the best alternative that you can use instead of the strcpy. For example, it shows me you can use strcpy s or strcpy or s and printf. It also gives me the warning if you use str and cpy. So let's correct it, let's improve it, to make it more secure, according to the alternative given by the Flawfinder. Here it suggests me to use strcpy / _s, right? So I will use str_s. So what it will do is it will make my code much more secure, so let's check if this hit is resolved or not by again scanning my code. At first it was 11 hits, right? So when I change the strcpy to strcpys and save the file, it should show the hits is equal to 10. I changed strcpy to strcpys, it should now decrease the hits by 1. That means next time when I scan the file, it should show me 10 hits, right? Because I already improved my previous code. So let's again scan it using Flawfinder dot. Now you can see it shows me 10 hits because I already improved my strcpy to strcps. The next flaw or the next potential issue that it shows me here under the rank 2, it is saying like statically sized arrays can be improperly restricted, leading to potential overflows or other issues. That means it can cause data to spill over allocated buffer sizes, leading to vulnerabilities. Overflowing a statically sized array can corrupt memory, potential overwriting critical control structures such as function return addresses, and leading to arbitrary code execution. So, an attacker might exploit buffer overflows to read sensitive information from memory, leading to data leaks and privacy breaches. The third issue that the Flawfinder gave me is improper bound checking in loops, where it gives me different areas here. It gives me different areas here, like in client handle thread.c, in line number 24, 48, in message parsing at line number 30, where I didn't properly check buffer boundaries within the loops, which could lead to out of bounds reads or writes. So let's take an example here. So in client handle thread.c on line number 24, let me go to there. Downloads can be top. Yeah, so in client handler thread.c at line number 24, I have used here bytes thread. So here I'm not doing buffer boundary check here, right? So it also shows me other areas also that does not handle a string that are not terminated. If given one, it may perform an overread, something like that. So I found different types of vulnerabilities or insecure methods that I used in my code. So there are different changes that I can make to my code based on what I found in the Flawfinder to make my code more secure, more improved. Responding to these findings, I am in the process of refactoring the vulnerable sections of my code. For example, I'm replacing my strcpy with s and printf or strcpy_s, as I already showed you. It not only addresses the buffer overflow risk but also reinforces the security of my application. So by this, you can use Flawfinder to find any flaw in your project or in your C or C++ project. My journey on this, especially in terms of understanding the nuances of each vulnerability, was quite challenging in determining the best course of action for mitigation. However, it has been an incredibly rewarding experience, significantly enhancing my understanding of secure coding principles and the importance of regular code analysis to preempt security issues. In conclusion, integrating static code analysis into our development workflow is not just beneficial, it's essential. Tools like Flawfinder enables us to discover and fix vulnerabilities early in the development process, greatly enhancing the security of our software. So thank you for all your attention. I am now ready to answer any questions you might have, and I look forward to a fruitful discussion on further enhancing our practices for software security. Thank you.